Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Imani and thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be about how to achieve some red brows, all while also reviewing the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So I have the pink one right here. I was going to get the green one. However, I said green. I was going to get the blue one. However, when I was reading the back of that was going to give more of a dewy finish. For those of y'all that don't know, I am an oily girl, so I stay away from oily products. So instead, I will be using something, I don't know if it's good for oily skin, it didn't say, but I'm hoping so. But this one is good because it evens skin tone, supposedly. Brighten skin tone, supposedly. It just leaves like an effortless glow, supposedly. But we're gonna test it out today. The best way they said to apply it is to use fingertips to apply and pat into skin. But I feel like I've been doing really good with posting, and then I took like an intermittent break. I'm gonna do 2 pumps too. I think that's good. And I'm gonna just use whatever's left over in the other areas. Oh, that does apply on smooth though. I do like that. Okay, I can immediately feel it getting sticky too. But I've been taking a break just to get back to you guys. I knew I had content to post, but I was just waiting because, like I said, I have been going hard for like the past couple months with posting, and I wanted to take like a small break just so I can reactivate myself and not go through creator's block. Sometimes I feel like it's very important that you take that break. Otherwise, you will go through a creator's block trying to put out stuff. And specifically, mine would have been with makeup. And as you can see, I also started a new series with, I'm gonna put a little bit more just because, you know, I'm over the top and I like more. And we're gonna test out how sticky this really is. I'm gonna rub this in some more too. But I just wanted to get back into the makeup world now. Like, y'all saw that I did my first entrepreneur vlog. I'm excited about that. I will let you guys know the feedback on that too once I get that, because that was for my focus group. If you haven't watched it, it is the most recent video on my channel. So basically, go ahead and go check that out while you're here. Okay, yeah, I could definitely feel this getting sticky. Okay, then it says to let it sit for like 30 seconds. So let's do that. Let's set my timer actually. It's probably already been a good 10 seconds now. So, okay. So now that the 30 seconds is up, let's see. It's fairly sticky. The thing about this one has 4% niacinamide. Let's see what that's good for, because somebody's gonna front to y'all like I know what that is. It says niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. It also has the benefit of not causing skin flushing. Okay, okay. So let's see what it's talking about. It has a stick. Oh yeah, she sticks good enough. That's crazy. Also, because this is also a brow tutorial, and I've stopped doing this, but I'm gonna get back into it now. I'm gonna have to do my brows first because my hair is red, and I mean, granted, I could do any brow that I want, but why not be extra today and do a red brow? So there is these 2 reds in the palette. Dude, what is all this stuff? Where's it coming from? I'm gonna use this bright red and that dark red. Yep, I think I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This one's the hydrating one, but it's also the one that's not really my skin tone. It's lighter, so I'm gonna set the base for that. I'm not gonna use a lot either. I'll just use whatever's on this brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush. This is a precision flat brush, and I'm just going to blend that out on my brows. So I've been meaning to get back to you guys, and I'm not saying like I've been gone long, because if anything else, I've uploaded a video. It's just I haven't been uploading 2 videos per week like I normally do, but that's okay because I'll be back to that anyway this week. Usually going to be good enough today. Like I said, it was really just to set the base. Now I'm going to pack on that color. This one has more of like a flat head on it, so I'm going to use that, and I'm actually going to go in with a darker one on the outer corner. I'm going to tap the excess off, and not trying to do anything clean right now, because that's actually what we're going to do next, is we're going to go in with the concealer and clean it up. So right now I just want to make sure that I'm getting this color packed on. Like I said, we're going in with that darker one in the outer corner, and then I'm going to take that red, that bright one, because my hair is a bright red, basically Kool-Aid red, and we're going to go in from there. But it is officially summer break for all the kiddos that are in school. It's kind of exciting. I know not really for me, because it's like I'm always on summer break, because lately, you know, I've been a stay-at-home mom, and that's all I'm able to do right now until I can start working officially again. It's been kind of difficult. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Sometimes it sucks being at home all the time. I kind of just had to sit down and figure out what I really wanted to do. And it was during that time that I realized, you know, being a stay-at-home mom is not all that bad. You know, I get to see my kids grow, and truthfully, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I get anxiety about like even thinking about putting my kids in daycare, just because of what I've seen with these daycares lately. These people do not care about your kids at all. All they care about is collecting a check. And I'm not saying that about any daycare that my kids have ever been in. I'm just saying in general from what I've been seeing on social media. All right. Now, honestly, I was going to use one of my other brushes that had a spoolie, but I'm just going to use a disposable one because I'm lazy. First of all, how cute are these spoolies? And then I feel like they're very durable. You know, you get some like disposable products and they just feel disposable. Now this one is like dual ended. It just feels good. But I'm gonna use this small side actually, just to buff that out a little bit. I want there to be a nice blend at the end of this. I don't want it to just look like it just stopped. Oh, girl. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. If I stop talking, it's because I'm tired, and honestly, I took this moment to have a break to myself, just like a little break. So I might even stop talking during this because I don't really have too much to talk about. I mean, you guys saw my last video what I'm doing. I'm kind of just waiting for the feedback on that before I actually tell y'all anything, because I don't want to tell y'all something and it's not ready. That's the whole point of the focus group. So that's why I'm kind of on the hush about it. But aside from that, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This one is the matte one, and I'm gonna use this to clean up my brow. This video was because one of my supporters said that they wanted me to review the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, but she wanted me to try it, so I'm finally doing it. I like this for me. I think this is cute. If y'all like this down in the comments, let me know. I haven't done brows first in so long. I feel like this is taking up a lot of my time right now. I don't like that for me. I'm actually gonna go on with the foundation because that's more. Y'all, I almost broke. I don't even know what the top this one off to, but I almost broke my foundation just now. You know how sad it is? Some good shit. I like to smear it out just a little bit first so it's not like this big old glob right next to it. Also, that's another thing with my brows. I changed up my routine because I don't even like clean up the top. I also gotta hurry up with this foundation too because this is the 24-hour matte. Told you I'm an oily girl, okay? We use matte products over here. So I am going to take a little bit on my hand. And I say a little bit, I mean like a little bit. Not even kidding. Like literally that dot you see right there. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm going to slightly blend it into the brows so that way they don't look so close together, and so we can get that nice, yeah, I like that for me. I like that for me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna speed through my makeup for you guys, okay? So we can really get to the nitty-gritty because I need to see what this primer's feeling like. And that's another thing. I normally use like 3 different primers. I normally use my Pixie Beauty Glow Primer, my NYX Angelville Primer, and my Derma Blend Instagrip. 3 different ones. Didn't do that. Only use this one this time. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Okay, so back with my review on the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Yeah, first of all, when I put her on, she applied so smoothly. Then like after the 30 seconds, I felt like the texture changed and really gripped the makeup. Y'all, at one point when I was doing my makeup, because this Power Grip gripped the makeup, okay? I forgot I had makeup on and I was about to scratch and I had to stop because I was like, oh, I have on makeup. But this Power Grip made me feel like it was skin. Like I don't feel like I have on anything at all. Like this right here. Yes, yes, yes. It's a big yes. I like this for me. I like this for me a lot. As far as my oily girls go, I feel like this is definitely it. Blue one, like I said, that one gives you a more dewy finish. I'm a matte girl. I like to look matte. So this one, and like I told y'all, I know we put on like 3 different primers. I only used her today. After my skin prep, I only used her. I like her. We like her. Let's keep her. But that's pretty much it for this video. We'll see you guys next time.